for all the picks. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We had a great summer season this time, and we had a lot of matches, a lot of temperatures, and thank everyone for all the support. And before I go on and on, let me introduce the chief guest for today, who happened to be as distinguished, one representing Pakistan and the other representing Hyderabad. We have two distinguished guests. So first, let me introduce the erstwhile Pakistan player, Asif Mustafa. Sir, this is, I would like, Asif Bhai was very closely involved with the Dallas Youth Cricket League, and the innovation of the Kuljeet for this year has been the Dallas Women's Cricket League, which has started off in a great fashion, and Asif Bhai was very closely involved with the women's cricket team, and he has coached all of us, all of the cricket team, and I believe we would all be thankful to Asif Bhai for his great input to the game. So Asif Bhai, I would like to see if you can speak a few words about the Dallas Women's Cricket League as itself. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everybody. When Kuljeet told me about that he is going to introduce the Women's Cricket League here, so I say, okay, can you get the success for that? Because I never seen any women playing here or any shows any interest. But the dedication and the devotion I have seen in Kuljeet, I have a big idea that he can raise this league here. And when I came to first day of the when he started, I saw about 15 to 20 women's girls are here, and I really appreciate those that who come on the first day. And it's a long way to go, but I can see here now is more than 20 people here, and about Kuljeet told me, and here about 40 now, more than 40 Kuljeet? Yeah, 46, yeah. Then it's a great achievement by Kuljeet and by you as well, and your supporter like your husband, brother, father, everybody, you know, they are supported you. That I would like to see that from you can represent USA women cricket team, because I would like to tell you one thing. When about 2 years ago, when I was on a trial on women's cricket at Fort Lauderdale to select a women team for World Cup qualifying, believe me or not, there were only 18 women who were there for trial. We picked 16, only 2 left out. So it is a great opportunity for you if you play here. Like, I know you were starting with a softball or tennis ball, but ultimately in a year or 2 to come, then you can going to introduce yourself, and Kuljeet will go there with the help of me and Arunji and other people are here. Then you can start with the hard ball, and believe me that it will not hurt you if you're right there, right? And don't be scared about that. I really, once again, I really appreciate that you are participating, and then it shows your interest and shows your passion, determination, devotion, dedication. Is all 3 Ds are there. Then you will, the Dallas will see that some of our ladies are representing USA team, cricket team in future. Thank you very much.
Before I move on, just for the Dallas Cricket League, who has not seen a part of Dallas Women's Cricket League, they are very much dedicated than compared to us. They practice on Thursdays and Saturdays for a game on Sunday, which is of 12 hours. I don't know how many teams in DCL, but of the many 40 plus teams that we have, I've never seen someone practice twice a week for a game on the weekend. So that's the dedication about Dallas Women's Cricket League, and this is just their first season. So before I move on, I would like each one of us to give a big round of applause to both the teams, the Royal Smashers and Chuck Day Dallas, for their contribution to Dallas Women's Cricket. Okay, moving on to the next chief guest. He has represented India. He was a member of the All India Universities team. He has represented Hyderabad in the Ranji Trophy, and he is a veteran of the Dallas Cricket Fraternity. I almost can call him the grandfather of Dallas Cricket Fraternity. Arun Vithala, please come on this. Thank you. I would like you to speak a few words on cricket and Dallas Cricket League. Thank you.
Thank you. Guys, thank you for having me over here. But the most important thing that we as Dallas Youth Cricket League and what Kuljit is doing, I don't think there are any words that we can talk about that praises or that should recognize this man. I would love to see everybody stand up and give this guy, Kuljit, the biggest hand that we can give for everything he does for everything that you do. I can tell you this, I happen to just step on it, but I was the founding president of North Texas Cricket Association. But I can tell you that there is nobody in Dallas, nobody that does and puts the kind of effort that this man puts. And we are very blessed to have him amongst us. I think we are now venturing on something, thanks to Kuljit again, we are venturing on the youth in Dallas, and Asif Bhai and myself and Suhas Naik have been very, very involved since last spring. It's turned out to be extremely successful, and I know the future of cricket is definitely moving to the next level. There is no question. We will see under 13 and under 15 and under 19 cricketers from Dallas. As I am very sure from what I've seen, the women's cricket, I am very confident that we'll see a lot of women in the US national team pretty soon with the efforts of Kuljit and Asif Bhai. Thank you very much for having me over. Thank you.
Thanks for those kind words. And of course, so now let's begin with the main ceremony. We're going to start with some individual awards. As a custom, but the individual awards, let's applaud whenever they come and pick the award. But whenever the captain calls the names for either the runners-up or the championship trophy, please wait till the championship trophy or the runners-up trophy is given and applaud. And we need a bigger applause at the end. So please do not applaud at the individual trophy is called, okay? But for the individual achievements, please applaud as and when they come here. And for that, I would request both of our chief guests to come here and give us the awards for the Dallas Women's Cricket League. Request Kuljit also to be here. Okay. Check it out. First of all, I would like to call upon Shrestha, the runners-up captain of Chak De Dallas. The runners-up captain, first ever Dallas Women's Cricket League, guys. So the runners-up, a proud moment for anyone. So I would like you to call upon each one of them by name, and you call upon them, and then each one of them stands here, and then we'll be giving you a trophy. Each one of them will be given a trophy. So please call upon one of them with his names, and then you can speak, and then the runners-up distribution. Thank you.
Firstly, I'll start with Geeta, our star player. Yuka. Samira.
Please don't go away. Please stay there.
Madhvi. Bhavini. Mansa. Sampurna. Pooja. Pooja is not there. Where is Deepti. Come on, Deepti. No, no. I'm asked to talk a few words about my experience. We as a team, we had a match on Sunday and we formed a team on Saturday. So that's how we started off Dallas Women's Cricket League. So as usual, our first match wasn't that great, but in the next coming matches, we did give a tough competition to Royal Smashers. And we were actually shocked to see Royal Smashers being so professional in cricket. I'm sure most of us must have, because I just joined Women's Cricket League for fun. So I do not expect such tough competition, but I'm proud of my team that they gave them a tough competition back. So great going, girls. We'll again come back for fall and we'll defeat any other team that comes there.
I would like everyone to, I would like Arunji to please hand out the trophy of the runners-up to the Shrestha and the team. Please everyone, come on. Caprezi, take it over from here.
Guys, give them a big.
Thank you. Okay. Now continuing on to the winners, the first ever winners. I think these two teams will be written in the history. So the first ever winners of the Dallas Women's Cricket League, Royal Smashers. And I welcome the captain Anuprita to please come on here and just do the honors.
Alright, I'll start calling everybody one by one. Sonu. Padmini. Vasudha, she batted really, really well. She's a top scorer in our team. Aishwarya. She's our wicket keeper and she did really wonderful job. Sushma. She's Jaisurya of our team. That's how she introduced herself to us when she came. Aparna. Kavita. Thank you. Manju. Kavita just came back from India and she's again going to play with us, like, you know. It was really good. Hi Manju. Saujanya. Saujanya did a really good job. She practiced a lot and she has improved in her game a lot. And we have few more players who couldn't make it, but yes, they will make it for the final match though. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Very good.
Can you please share your experience of playing the first ever Dallas Women's Cricket League?
Actually, it was really wonderful. This thing started with I meeting Kuljit ji in Vibha Cricket Cup, and we just started off. We said, I mean, he just helped a lot, to start this league, and with my request and with everybody's support out there, and with Shrestha and her team just coming out like in a very last moment, we were able to pull this up, and I'm quite sure that we can do this and take it further on a long run. We have 2 teams right now. I'm quite sure we'll make 2-3 and 2-4 later, coming fall league and then coming leagues. It was really wonderful experience playing with all of you. Thanks.
Thanks a lot. Thanks for playing this, and congratulations on being the first winners of Dallas Women's Cricket League Summer Championship. Here we go. Asif Bhai, you can take the trophy from Asif Bhai. Everyone, please go ahead. Okay.